So good day everyone, it's Griz and Taffy. We're out on the bikes, and today is a bit special. Not only have I got my new helmet on, but also we've got intercoms. Hello Taffy!
Oh, hello Griz!
Hello!
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 Hello everyone!
Hello everyone! Yay!
Hello! Hello!
Oh, he didn't wave back.
Oh, what a spoil sport. So everyone, some major news for you. As you can guess, we now have intercoms. We are using Cardo intercom systems. It's the TalkPack one, and someone has been just absolutely awesome, amazing, and donated to the channel and basically bought us new intercoms. We managed to get them reduced from Cardo as well, so that was really cool. Still not cheap, and a massive thank you to one of our subscribers which donated to the channel. He wanted to remain anonymous, but we would both just like to say a massive thank you. Thank you, mate.
Thank you.
Really massive.
Thank you.
So appreciative. I can't even put it into words. Yeah, it's been absolutely awesome, and we're super chuffed. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much for the intercom. It's brilliant. It's quite funny listening to Griz now. I cannot escape him now, ever.
You cannot escape my grasp.
No. Oh my God.
I'm here to haunt you.
Got him in my ear now. Oh my God.
Yo guys, peace. Yo. One wave. My God.
Yeah. Wave.
Oh, wave away, guys. Wave away. Yo.
I was expecting more bikers today.
Yeah, where's all? Yeah, I mean, it's a blooming hot day. It's flipping hot.
It definitely is.
It's even late in the days and it's hot.
Well, it's really cool seeing bikers here that come like from Netherlands and you know, all sorts of places. Is awesome.
Germany.
Switzerland. Yeah, Germany. I love Germany. Yeah, it's really cool.
No.
I mean, what does it feel like? You're coming all the way from Germany just to, well, you know, come into our little Somerset.
Yeah.
Somerset.
Western Supermare.
Western Supermare.
Yeah, they come from everywhere.
Yeah, it's funny, but cool, very cool.
So this is a bit of a groundbreaker really for our channel. It's a real, I want to use tacky words like game changer, but I'm not gonna. But a massive thank you again, and yeah, this is just absolutely awesome. It's going to really you know, be a lot more fun for Taffy and I, and also bring more fun to the channel. So yeah, it's super great.
It's really weird because I feel like I'm watching a video now.
Yeah, it is weird.
Listening to you.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's weird.
Yeah. So Taffy, apparently, I think we had some people interested in a duo.
Sorry?
I think we had some of our subs kind of interested in us doing a duo, you know,
there
after
was a
your
duo, after
your amazing.
I mean, we are here to please. You know.
Oh dear, I don't think I'll subject the public to that.
Oh, go on.
No. I know you think I'm like a bit of an Elvis kind of sound alike.
We're not that cruel.
We're definitely not that cruel. So, I mean, this intercom, as I said, just super duper. I've also bought a new camera, another GoPro 4, which I've got on the front of Taffy's bike. Hopefully it's not fallen off yet, has it, Taffy?
I'm just waving.
Oh, I can't see you. Is your GoPro still on the front of your bike?
Yeah, it's still here.
My GoPro is shaking around like a bugger.
Oh, is it? Oh,
yeah, I need to get. I've kind of ran out of enough attachments, and I'm using a bit of a half-assed attempt here. I think I might have to make it shorter, maybe it'll vibrate less. But so yeah, I've dished out a little bit of dosh. Well, I've dished out a lot of dosh. Bought 2 new helmets. Sadly, I wasn't able to get Taffy's helmet ready for this ride out, but I will be working on that next. There's a lot of work involved into getting the camera set up and the intercom. I say a lot. I just like to make a really good job of it. So
it is quite a lot. It is quite a lot of work.
I guess it is quite a bit. It takes
and
me
your
like
helmet is uber heavy now.
my helmet is like super heavy. I mean, usually that would be quite a boast, but no, this. Usually it would be a good thing, but this helmet, I mean, it was super light in comparison to my old helmet, but now I've got everything on it, it feels super heavy. And also these cheek pads are a little bit too tight now. It's pushing into the side of my mouth, so I think I need to move some of the wire connectors around a bit, and maybe it'll be a bit more comfortable for me. But I'm loving the new RI. I'm really sad Taffy, I couldn't get Taffy's AGV ready for today, but that will be happening next. Yeah, it's been a busy old time. I've, like you've seen on the channel, I went off and did the car review. I went off and done the Aprilia. That was on the same day. The Torino was the same day, and I was wiped. I was so tired, but I did it anyway. Taffy's done a vlog. So she's going to do some more at some point, aren't you? I think. Are you?
No singing though.
No singing though. Have you been put off by it yet, Taff?
No, it's jealousy. Jealousy.
Jealousy.
Yeah.
What did you make of going out and doing your first vlog all by yourself?
It was okay. It was a bit weird, you know. You need to kind of, you know, imagine you're kind of speaking to everyone, but it was okay. It was fun. Yeah, it was just like you feel like you're talking to yourself, and people probably passing by probably think, what is she doing? Just pointing at random things on the bike. But yeah, it was fun. It was fun. It was good actually. I was quite happy with it. Yeah.
Cool.
I was quite happy with it. It was good fun. I mean, people enjoyed it, and yeah, it was cool.
Cool. Yeah, it's all new stuff, isn't it, really? And this is going to take a little while for me to get used to from an editing standpoint and a kind of vlog standpoint. Before, it's just been me going out and just like, I never plan the vlogs. I just go out and just ride, and whatever comes to mind is what I talk about. And I don't rehearse what I say. Probably that does come across sometimes because Griz is always kind of fluffing up a bit and gets a bit sidetracked. So I think we need to get maybe just a tiny bit polished. I don't want to make this channel too polished. I don't want to make it too kind of like professional and too robotic in the way it's, you know, presented to you guys, the way flipping it. This guy.
Oh, like, he's gonna go in the ditch.
He's on his phone again.
Oh, shut up.
Well, you never know, do you?
Oh, blimey.
Should we overtake him?
Oh, I think we should, yeah.
Come on then, let's go.
Yeah, I think we should.
Done.
Done.
I kind of missed it a bit on the gears then. That was a bit of a fluff.
Yeah, you did. I was worried.
Worried?
I was worried a little bit. I was right behind you, yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's alright.
Right.
I forgive you. Hello. Thank you. Nice bikes.
Nice bike, yeah. It was a Ducati V4, I think, and didn't see the second one much. I was looking at the first one, but yeah. Let's go. Oh, my bike. A bit weird. Bike kind of lost power then.
Did it?
Yeah, a little bit, like I had it in rain mode almost.
Really?
Yeah, I kind of accelerated and it just went...
Strange.
Edged off a bit.
Very strange.
Yeah, I had it in 4th gear even. And it's in race mode, so it shouldn't really be doing that.
What's going on?
Don't know.
Maybe spark plugs again?
Nah, it can't be the plugs again.
Nah.
They're new.
Nah.
No.
Yeah, for me doing the vlogs, it's not easy. Because obviously my English is not my you know.
It's your first language now.
Yeah, not my first language. So it's like you gotta think like double, triple before you open your mouth and say something. But yeah, it's challenging.
Yeah, I take my hat off to you actually, Taffy, because I struggle to do a vlog, and I speak English.
Yeah.
And you're basically thinking your thoughts in Croatian and translating them. See, I can't do it now in English. Translating them to over to English. So that in itself is quite a feat. And I've been super lucky with Taffy because she's a clever girl, very much so. And she takes a lot of the work out of a relationship, always talking English with me. I do know a bit of Croatian, but could I hold a conversation in Croatian? No, not really.
I think you could. I mean, what do you need? You need, like, you know, hello, goodbye.
Dobar dan.
Thank
Dobar
you.
dan.
Yeah, hello, Bob.
Hvala, Bob.
You know, dobar dan, hello.
Dobar dan is good day.
I mean, what more do you need? You know, hello, thank you, goodbye, you know. Yes, no. That's it,
the cool thing
really.
about your language is the word bok. And bok, you can say bok for saying hello, and you can also say bok for saying goodbye.
It's like aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha, yeah. They say aloha is hello and goodbye.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's the same. Yeah.
Yeah.
Easy.
Easy peasy. Feels better now. So we're going to go and have a little bit of a ride. I think we're going to go and do a few little kind of ride-bys. Feels alright now. Feels fine.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Join us in part 2 where Taffy takes a little tumble. Don't worry, she's fine. The bike is fine. It was just one of those things. All be revealed in the next vid. Thanks for watching, everyone.